Hey guys, back to Donovan HB Realty, part of the Jots Group out here at 153 Guana Lane in Bloomingdale, Georgia. This is in the Palms. This is a beacon new home. They were doing an agent open today, but I wanted to feature the Hickory Floor Plan right now. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home offered at $395,610. Let's check it out. So you can see here's the front of the home. You got brick front. Love that. Here's the neighborhood. This neighborhood's been going on for a while. I mean, even when I first came to real estate 6 years ago, like they had just started this community. They got a cool pool. There was a thought for a beach, but I don't think it kind of fizzled out. I'm not sure. But this is a great location. I mean, it's really close to Pooler. You talking about one exit down? If you get on 16, it's fantastic. I love that. And you walk in here, look at this. Dining room right off the door. I love the rounded arches right there, chair rail, all the way around as you can see, leading you into, boom, living room right there, kitchen, wide open, love that. Coming in here into the living room, you got a little closet right here, bang, and then boom, look at that. That's the sound of an empty living room. Not for long, you get your family and friends up in here. You have a good time with this fireplace. I love the electric fireplace right there. Once again, they got all this cool swag that they're giving away because of the agent open. Love that. But here's the kitchen right here, granite countertops. You're gonna get all the appliances except for a refrigerator. So you're gonna get your stove, oven, range, and the dishwasher, of course, but no fridge. So if you're coming in here, save up some money for a fridge. Now, if you buy a home, you put it under contract, do not, I repeat, do not put your fridge on credit until after you close the home, okay? It won't take them no time, a couple days to deliver it. This half bath right there, bang, leading into the primary bedroom, which is large. It's like 1,000,000-foot ceilings, no big deal. No, it's the ceilings are really tall. I would say 10-foot ceilings maybe. 9-foot ceilings maybe. Yeah, but nice size, large. You can fit anything you want in here. When we go into it, you can fit a giraffe in here if he's ducking, or maybe a baby giraffe. That's regular, not ducking. I don't know. 2 closets in here. Love that. You might have a chance of having a closet if you're like me, who doesn't get their own closet. Yeah, this is great. And then you got dual vanity, granite countertop, laminate floors around here, separate tub and shower. Love that. Glassed in, great. And then you got a closet for your toilet and linen, so that's great. Let's go upstairs. Well, actually, you know what? Since we're on the bottom floor, I'm gonna check all the little nooks and crannies that they have on the bottom floor. And when I say that, it's mainly the garage and the laundry room. So here's the laundry room. Right there's the front door. There's the living room, here's the stairs, laundry room. Just so you know, in reference, it could be like a mud room too, because you got their 2-car garage right here. Boom, look at that, love it. Okay, now let's go upstairs. Boom, look at this. Walk up the stairs. Heck, I'd lose my kids in here, I'll tell you that much. This is got all the space. I mean, you could put, this could be a movie room, could be, I don't know, pinball, arcade. I don't know, they got a media closet right here. Bang. Then, all your other rooms. So, let's go counterclockwise. There's one. Weird angle ceiling, it's fine. Put the bed right there. Then you don't have to worry about the ceiling. Hold on, let me see, hold on. All right, it takes me a while to hit my head on this one. Then you got your closet right there. Not bad, actually. Nice size for this size room. Fit a queen size bed in here, no problem. Then, gonna go into this full size bathroom, granite countertop, shower tub combo, as you can see. Linen closet right there, bang. All right, let's go in these other 2 rooms. There you go. There's another room. Great. And then this room. Fantastic. All have crazy angled ceilings, which some kids like. I was actually showing houses to one of my old Army buddies. His daughter loved. She's always calling the angled roof bedroom. So, all right, let's go downstairs and to the back. Even living room, kitchen area, coming out to the back of the screen and porch area. Bang, right next to a lake, pond, more like a pond, but great spot though. You can just sit out here, just like hanging out, drinking some coffee. Even these guys, they got to look through your screen porch to see that pond. You got exclusive access at the corners. So that's a Hickory Floor Plan from Beacon New Homes. If you have a question about this home or any Beacon New Home, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.